Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a note in a chat in the Line app. Just open the app, click on chat and then tap on the chat where you would like to create a note. Click on the button in the top right corner, scroll down a little bit and tap on notes. Here you can create a new note by tapping here or on the plus icon. You can post a picture here, or you can just write something like nothing, which is very useful, and tap on post. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you.